Welcome to another RV tips, tricks, and how-tos with Tommy, Winston, and Louie. Today we share our top tips for crossing the US-Canadian border in an RV. Traveling with Terriers goes international. We just crossed the Canadian border it was north of North Dakota, and a very Estevan, an infrequently used crossing. It looks like there was one car in front of us, and all we had to do is shut off the vehicle, step over to the border guard, and he asked a few questions. He asked for our passports. He asked if we had purchased anything from like a farm or anything, so anything fresh vegetables and fruit, and he asked for our license plate number. We were asked about rabies certificates for the dogs. Where are we going? Why are we here? How long are we staying? Jess, can you remember any other questions?
Nope, that was it, I think. Weapons. Did you say that?
Weapons, firearms. I did say we have a pocket knife. He wanted to know if it was a switchblade or butterfly knife. Any cannabis, marijuana products, or tobacco, alcohol. And also, do we have any gifts that are for anyone in Canada? Or are we planning to leave anything in Canada? So, no to all of those. And there's a Canadian flag. It was very easy. He was strict. He knew his job. Making sure that we answered the questions and just answer truthfully. No inspection or anything. We were very prepared. We had everything pretty much immediately when asked. Yep. Good job, Jess. And we are on our way.
We're in Canada. All right, we're saying goodbye to Canada, sadly. For now. We'll be back. Alright, well, they let us back into the States, so that's good news. They didn't ask us for anything but our passport, which was interesting. We had everything ready. We had all of the dog import forms and the health checks and the stuff for our license plates and our list of stuff that we bought in Canada all ready to go. And they didn't ask for any of it. All they asked for was our passports and said, welcome back. So, okay, we're back in the States.
They did ask if we had what?
Produce.
Yeah, fresh produce.
Yeah, that was the only thing that they asked was fresh produce. And we were prepared for that and made sure that all of the produce was gone before we left this morning. So, it does look like all we have to do is pay a toll. So we'll see if I can use my credit card. So yeah, very easy. Very, very easy. Very, very pleasant. Border Patrol guard. Yep.
And it's nice to be home, but we already miss Canada, so we'll be back.
Yep.
Canada. $8.40 later. All right, Tom, get your head in the window. 65 miles per hour. Miles per hour. It's gonna all feel so slow getting places now. Those kilometers really tick down when you're traveling. Visit travelingwithterriers.com for even more RV tips, tricks, and how-tos. And happy traveling!